Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today I have my Glossybox November box. It is sent to me free for review, but you will get my honest review. So let's get in here and see what we've got. Glossybox is a monthly beauty box and it is $21 if you go month to month when you sign up for it. With the link I'll put below and my code, which is just Kathrin, you can get $5 off your first box if you have any interest in this. You can sign up for 3 months, which brings it to $58.50 or $19.50 each. 6 months brings it to $18.33 each box. 12 months, you actually have choices because you can pay monthly. So you can sign up for a year, make the commitment for a year so it costs less. That makes it $18 a box. Or if you pay for the 12 months up front, it is $210, which makes it $17.50. So of course that's the least expensive way to get it. Personally, I like paying monthly. Let's get into this. So when we take the lid off, there's our prettily little wrapped gift and the paperwork that will tell us everything we need to know about November. And on the back of it, it says, "Set your clock, Glossies. Glossybox Black Friday Limited Edition will launch." And I will have that here on the channel for you. When we look at the inside, it tells us about all of the products that are in here. I always love this box. I always talk about the skincare that I get in my Glossybox, also in my Look Fantastic. But the skincare that I get in the Glossybox is always my favorite skincare. I don't know why, but the products just tend to irritate me less. I have more success with them. When I open it up, and that is what we have. Box of goodies. So let's just dive right in. You know what? I'm grabbing the big one out right on top. It is a Vitabrid C12 Daily C Balancing Cleansing Balm. We have had this Vitabrid C12 in boxes lately, and I didn't try the first one because I thought it was all vitamin C, but it was not, and I liked it. Let's take it out. So how are you guys doing? It's fall, it's cold, but the leaves are down and it's all crispy and nice, and I like it. Crispy, well, crunchy from like walking on the leaves is probably what I was going for. Crispy is probably not the best word. That is what the front of the jar looks like. It's crispy outside. This is full-sized. It has a $48 value. Infused with plant-derived extracts, this facial cleansing balm helps to effortlessly dissolve stubborn makeup and impurities. It's formulated with a powerful antioxidant blend of Cajai oil, I think I got that close, and proprietary Vitabrid CG, which is active vitamin C, to help support a clear and radiant complexion. It is 3.17 ounces. Well, this has citric acid, lactic acid, and papaya in it, so I'm not going to open it because you guys know with my sensitive skin, I absolutely could not use this. So I will set this aside for somebody who can use it and enjoy it, because $48, sometimes I dip into things that I can't necessarily use anyway because I really want you guys to get the full experience, but with a $48 product, I really hate to waste it. Next out, we have a little Cella Quad palette. I have some Cella products that I really enjoy. This says that it is a travel size but has a $20 value Manifest Bronze Eyeshadow Palette. The 4 shades of this palette, Charisma, Radiant, Purpose, and Intention, will transform you into a glam, confident version of yourself. Buildable and highly pigmented, this palette ensures a look that will amplify your inner and outer glow. $20 value if I didn't say that. Well, this is really pretty. It's a very neutral palette, but let's go ahead and swatch them. So our only matte in here is this dark brown in the corner, and that's what that looks like. And then our 3 shimmers, they feel really nice. They're not over dry at all. They have a really nice creamy texture. Oh, you know what? That dark brown isn't a matte either. It looked completely matte. I hope I can get this across. This dark brown looked completely matte in the palette, but it's got some shimmer to it. I'm gonna do this in hopes that I can show you guys the shimmer. But they're so pretty. They were really nice and creamy, really wearable colors. And next out, we have a Figs and Rouge Satin Soft Blurring Primer and Finishing Fix Ultra Prime. I like the way that looks. The paperwork says that it is full-sized and it has a $52 value. We are already at $120 worth of products. This is a super good one. This primer is designed to fix foundation and finish your complexion for complete matte perfection. Its silicone-free, pore-minimizing, and anti-blemish qualities absorb oil so that you'll have a beautiful, smooth finish without any breakouts. Let me look at the ingredients for a second. I would not use this in the winter because in the winter I need to eke out every bit of oil that I have. Sometimes in the summer though, I could use this. Ingredients are too hard for me to read, so we're gonna go ahead and try this, and I will just give it to somebody who I know and love if it's not something I can use. It's kind of just a gel, a little liquid. It's got a little bit of a pink tinge to it. Almost no scent at all. Very wet. I expected it to be more creamy, but it has a very wet, almost like an essence application. That's so interesting that it doesn't feel at all drying. We'll let it dry to the back of my hand and we'll see how it feels. But wow, the value in this box this month is amazing. This is commodity paper. I don't know what that means. Scent space personal. Well, we're gonna have to get into that to see what that means. There is a QR code on the back if you want to check it out. This is a deluxe mini worth $10. If it were full-sized, it would have a $105 value. Lightweight and effortless. Paper opens with ISO E Super, a unique and woody molecular note. Then, as the minutes pass and the scent comes to life, you'll begin to notice ethereal skin musk, followed by a softly sweet trail of amber. I mean, that sounds just like what I look for in a perfume. Oh, it's a very nice size when you take it out. This is the size of it. We're definitely putting this on. Fingers crossed. Pat, pat, pat. I rubbed once. I've told this story. I rubbed once at a perfume counter and met with confrontation from the person trying to sell me the perfume. Oh, wow, that's nice. Okay. What did it say we were going to get hit with right away? We're hit right away with a unique and woody molecular note. I can smell the molecules. It does smell good though. I can smell the woody. Something about it says Renaissance Fair to me right here at the beginning. We'll see where that goes. I'm not saying that's a bad thing. I enjoy a Renaissance Fair and all of the things that they sell and the turkey legs. No, I don't get the turkey leg. My husband gets the turkey leg. I get the bowl. You know when they make the bowls out of the bread of soup? That was a left turn. Okay, last but not least, we have Wee Shetty. It looks like it's probably going to be lips. Oh, it's from the Beauty Crop, and it is a pH Changing Hydrating Lip Oil. Well, it's not going to change pH because I already have stuff on my lips, but I could use a little oil to perk up what I'm wearing, so let's go ahead and try it. It's really pretty. I like the look of that. See the cherries on top? It has a really fun take out of your purse, being out there, cute look. I like that a lot. This is full size. It has a $12 value, and it says, "Oui, chérie, lip oil. Say bonjour to your new lip obsession. This non-sticky, moisture-rich lip treatment has a pH color-changing formula that works on your unique pH level to give you a custom shade, perfectly suited to your skin tone. It also keeps your lips unbelievably soft and nourished." Well, we're not going to get any color because I have lips on, but let's smell it and, you know, see if it's sticky. When I take it out, it's a little pink. Will it shade change on my hand? Let's see. Okay, so it went on. I did it like right here. It's like barely got anything to it. It's a little bit of pink. Let's see if it changes on my hand. It gave me a little bit of shine. I like that. What is that? Is that cherries? Oh my goodness, I think I even made it smell like cherry. But I like it. Well, in the videos I go forward making from here, I'll probably have all of my lip color in the corners because I've added this oil, but actually I think it pinked up my lips a little bit. I like it. I don't know if you can tell, but here, it turned a little more pink. It does have a little, of course, anything that touches my skin is gonna turn pink. That is fun. It is definitely more pink than when I started. That is fun. So that was the November box, although it doesn't say November on here anywhere. It says Beauty Desires Edition. So be sure and check the title of this down in the description and I will let you know, but I feel confident this is the November box. I wish it said it there somewhere. But we received, nobody reminded me, all of you sitting there, nobody said, "Kathrin, put your stuff back there. You know you like it." Too late. So we got the Oui Chérie from the Beauty Crop lip oil. This, oh, I don't know what we've moved on to next, but it just smells good. That's all I know. It smells good. I like it. I don't regret spraying it on me at all. That's a good thing. We got the Figs and Rouge Satin Soft Primer. The Cella Quad. That's the neutrals that are very very pretty. And the Vitabrid C Nighttime, is that nighttime? No, it's a cleansing balm. And the Vitabrid C cleansing balm. So this was the November box, which I'm hoping I'm even right about that. Oh my goodness, this is a month, is it not? Thank you so much for coming back, guys. I really appreciate you taking the time to be here. I will see you again really soon. I will put my link below. If you have any interest in this, it will take $5 off your first box. Plus, the beauty is they have a lot of like holiday editions, and like they did the advent calendar, which has sadly, or good for them, I guess, good for them, has sold out. But whenever you belong to Glossybox, when they do all of the special boxes that they do, you get a discount, usually about $5. I think the advent was actually $10 off. I am seeing myself a little bit over there, and I think that this pinked up my lips a little bit. I like it a lot. Thanks again, guys. Please have a fantastic day. I really appreciate you being here. Go out and enjoy this crispy holiday air we have. Bye, guys.